linear equations into variables. Today we learn about graph of linear equations in two variables. So general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The graph of this linear equation is always a straight line. So today we will start exercise 4.3. Question number first. Draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. Draw graph of linear equation in two variables. First part is x plus y is equal to 4. To plot this equation, we find the value of y by putting the value of x. किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू अपन लेट करेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट वेरिएबल की वैल्यू अपन निकालेंगे. Now see here, I make a table. At least I will take 3 points. 2 is sufficient. अगर कोई भी 2 पॉइंट जोड़ेंगे वो स्ट्रेट लाइन ही बनेगी. For verification we will take 3 points. So this is x, this is y. If I take let x is equal to, if you take 1, then what is y? 1 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. You check it, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now I will take x is equal to 2. So y becomes 2 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2. Now I will take another point, say 0. If I take x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 4. Now plot this point in the graph. We will take a graph paper. I am plotting by making a graph with a scale of 1 centimeter. Here we can see that no negative points are there, so the graph is plotted in the first quadrant. Extend the line, okay, it will go in other quadrant. So where these two lines intersect, it is called origin. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now scale you can take 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter को आप 1 unit 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now first point you know that 1 comma 3, x is 1, y comma 3 you can write as it is. ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, इसको ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट फॉर x एक्सिस एंड सेकंड पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंट फॉर y एक्सिस. So first we take 1 on x axis, this is 1, and y is 3, this is 3. So 1 comma 3 is this point, 1 comma 3. Now you can take 2 comma 2, this is 2 and this is 2. Now you take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. This is 0 comma 4 and this is 2 comma 2. Now join these points. This is a straight line and this is the equation of x plus y is equal to 4. This externally goes in both directions. Now I will take another part. Suppose constant is not given to you. अगर constant नहीं दिया हुआ है, constant is not given to you, the line passes through origin. I will take that case. Question 1, third part. Y is equal to 3x. Now make a table. By putting the value of x, you will get the value of y. At least you will take 3 values. So make a table. This is x, this is y. If I take x is equal to 0, So 0 into 3 is 0. X0, Y0. If I take X1, Y is equal to 3. If I take X2, Y is equal to 6. So this point satisfies the given equation. Now plot a graph. We see that the graph of this equation passes through origin. ये कहां से पास होगा? Passes through origin. Whenever constant is not there, the graph passes through origin. See here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is intersecting point 0, origin. Now you can take a scale. 1 unit is equal 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale ले लीजिए on x-axis and y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first point is 0, 0. This is first point 0, now second point x1, y3. So this is the point 1, 3. 2, 6. This is 2 and this is 6. So it is 2, 6. Join these points, you will get a straight line. You do in graph paper. So this is the equation of line. This line represents y is equal to 3x. Now I will take one more question. Question number 4. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So you can write y is equal to, put y here and 2x is here. Why I will doing this? To calculate the value of y, it is easy for me. If I put the value of x here, we can calculate the value of y. Make a table for x, y. This is x, this is y. If I take, let x is equal to 0, अगर x 0 ले लेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? y is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. x0, y3. If you take x is equal to 1, x 1 ले लेंगे तो y कितना आ जाएगा? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 2, x 2 लीजिए तो कितना आएगा? y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2. This implies y is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. कितना आ गया? y is equal to minus 1. If you take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to minus 1. This point comes in 2, minus 1 comes in which quadrant? 2 is positive and y is negative. It is fourth quadrant. Now see in the graph. Plotting of this equation in the graph. See here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is 0. Again you can take scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x-axis and y-axis. So x1, 2, 3, 4, y. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now plot the points x0, y3, x0, y3. This is 0, 3. Now x1 and y1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 1. Now x2 and y minus 1, x2 and y minus 1. This is x2, y minus 1. This is which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Now join these points, you will see that this is a straight line. So this is the equation of 3 is equal to 2x plus y, or you can say that y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now question 2. Question 2. Give the equation of two lines passing through point 2, 14. How many more such lines we can find? Passing through this point, this is a one point, you can pass infinite lines. How many lines you can pass? From one point you can pass infinite lines. Any point you can pass infinite lines. Okay? Now, this is for x, this is for y. First equation, x plus y, you can write it is 16. Now, if I put x here 2 and y 14, you will get 16 is equal to 16. So, in this way you have to write two equations. One I will write, another I will write x is equal to, y is equal to, y is 14 and 7x. Y is equal to 7x. See, y is 14. If I put 7x कितना दिया हुआ है 2, so 14 is equal to 14. So it is the equation of line passing through the point 2, 14. It is the equation of line passing through the point 2, any other you can try. Suppose I will write y minus x is equal to 12. You can check, y is 14, x is 2 is equal to 12 is equal to 12. So this is another equation. In this way you can write infinite lines. Okay. Now question number 3.
Sir, can you explain this question again?
Yes. Now question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find a. Find a. So this point satisfies the given equation. This point satisfies given equation. So putting the value of y is equal to 4, put y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. In above equation, we get 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. It is 3 4 ja 12. 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. So it is 5 is equal to 3a. 5 upon 3 is equal to a. This is the answer. It is objective type. Now I will take question number 4. It is important. Question 4. See here, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8. First kilometer, fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 kilometers. Subsequent, बाकी बचा हुआ distance is rupees 5. Taking the distance x kilometer, and total amount is total rupees is equal to y. Write a linear equation and graph. Write a linear equation and graph. See here, let the total distance is x. Total distance क्या है? Let total distance here see. Total distance is x kilometer. Out of x, the amount of 1 kilometer is rupees 8. पहले किलोमीटर का किराया कितना है? 8. तो उसको छोड़ दो. बाकी डिस्टेंस, रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस कितना बचा? रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस कितना बचा? x minus 1. पहला किलोमीटर का किराया 8 है, बाकी डिस्टेंस का किराया कितना होगा? रिमेनिंग, दिस इज द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस x minus 1 किलोमीटर. सो अमाउंट ऑफ रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा? अमाउंट ऑफ रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा? अमाउंट ऑफ रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस कितना है 5, बाकी जो भी डिस्टेंस है उसका कितना किराया लग रहा है 5, तो इट इज 5 into x minus 1. सपोज यू कैन ट्रेवल फॉर 25 किलोमीटर, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का आपने दे दिया 8 रुपीज, ठीक है, तो रिमेनिंग कितने बचे, 25 किलोमीटर, ठीक है, तो रिमेनिंग 25 किलोमीटर का पेमेंट कैसे करेंगे 5 रुपए के हिसाब से, 24 into दिस, और टोटल किराया कितना हो जाएगा दिस प्लस दिस. दिस इज सपोज, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. नाउ हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ 24 इट इज x minus 1. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन टोटल फेयर कितना है y, पहले किलोमीटर का कितना दिया 8, बाकी कितना दिया अपन ने, व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट 5, x minus 1 is the remaining amount. Now solve it. 5 is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 8 minus 5, so it is y is equal to 5x plus 3. So this is the linear equation. Now plot a graph of this. Now make a table for this. Now I will make a table for this, at least 3 points I will take. This is x, this is y. Now if I put x is equal to 0, तो y कितना हो जाएगा 3. If I put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. If I put x is equal to 2, y is equal to कितना हो रहा है, let us take x is equal to minus 1. If I put x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 5 plus 3, कितना हो गया minus 2. So plot a graph of this. Now I am going to plot a graph of this on the graph. Instead of graph paper I will take a, see here in a small way I can plot. This is y axis, this is x axis, this is intersecting point. Now on x axis there are 3.011, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. On y axis up to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, extend it 7 and 8, and negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now see here, first point is 0, 3. So 0, 3 is this. X is 0 and y is, x is 0 and y is 3. This is 0, 3. Now 1, 8. This is 1 and this is 8. This is 1, 8 and minus 1 and minus 2. This is minus 1 and minus 2. Now join the points, you will see that this is a straight line. This is a straight line and this is the equation of y is equal to 5x plus 3. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Question 4. If the work done on a body of application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. Work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body and force is constant. F is 5 units given to you. Now if you remove the proportionality sign, you will get constant of proportionality is FD. Here W you can take Y, F you can take 5 and X. D you can take X. Now this is the linear equation of force is work done is equal to force into displacement. Now you have to calculate the work done when the distance is 2 units. Calculate work done when distance is 2 units and work done when distance is 0 unit. Now plot a graph for this. Now make a table. At least 3 points you can take to draw a straight line x and y. See here, if you take x is equal to 0, y is 0, x1, y5, x2, y10. Now, draw a graph, x-axis, this is y-axis, scale you can take on x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. In graph you see 1 centimeter block is there. 1 centimeter block contains 10 mm, 10 lines in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All are positive, so it is in first quadrant. This is 0, 0, first point. Second point is 1, x-axis is 1 and y-axis is 5. So 1, 5. Now 2, 10. This is 2, 10. Join these points, you will get a straight line, and line is passing through origin because constant is not there. This is a line, y is equal to 5x. Now distance is 2 units. X-axis distance is 2 units. If you draw perpendicular line with x-axis, it will meet it y-axis on 10. So distance is, if distance is 2 units, then w is equal to 10 units. If distance is 0 unit, w is equal to 0 unit. Graphically we can calculate, manually we can calculate. Now, next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Question 5. It is important question. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature measured in Fahrenheit, and India it is Celsius. The conversion scale is given to you. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5, Celsius plus 32. You have to draw graph by taking Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Second, if Celsius is given to 30 degree, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If Celsius is given to you, Fahrenheit is given to you 95 degree, then what is the temperature in Celsius? If Celsius is 0 degree, then what is Fahrenheit? And if Fahrenheit is 0 degree, then what is Celsius? Fifth, numerically where the Fahrenheit and Celsius is equal. Numerically Fahrenheit and Celsius is equal, that is C is equal to F. कहाँ पे C और F ग्राफ में इक्वल होंगे numerically? Now, first we draw the graph for Fahrenheit and Celsius. So, make a table. At least 3 points we will take, x-axis and y-axis. X is for Celsius and y is for Fahrenheit. If I take x is equal to 0, that is C is equal to 0, you will get 9 plus 30, 0. This is 0, F is Fahrenheit, 32, y is 32. If I take C is equal to 5, then Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 into 5 plus 32. This is cancelled out. 9 plus 32 is 41. If I take C is equal to -5, F is equal to 9/5 into -5 plus 32. So it is -9 plus 32 is equal to 23. Now plot the graph. This is x-axis Celsius, this is y-axis Fahrenheit, this is x dash, this is y dash, this is origin 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here I take a scale. You see here 1 centimeter is there. So I will take on x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 degree. In 1 centimeter there is a 10 mm. So 1 mm is for 1 degree. Suppose 0, x is 0 and y is 32. This is 30 and 2 lines means 32. This is 0, 32 degree. Now 5, 41. 5 is here, 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 between. In graph you can see one light shaded line between 1 centimeter. This 5 degree and 41. This is 41 line. 5, 41 and minus 5, 23. Minus 5 is this and 23 is 2 and 1, 2, 3 line like this. Minus 5, 23. If you join this, you will join these lines. You will join these lines. You will see that this is a straight line like this. It is good. So this is the line of f is equal to 9 by c 5 into c plus 32. Now first point is that c is 30. See here, c is 30 degree. Then f is what? F is equal to 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. 5 6 are. So f is equal to 9 6 are 54 plus 32. F is equal to 86. F कितना आएगा? C 30 है तो F is 86. See here, C is 30. F comes here somewhere here 86. So this is the point. When you draw on graph, you will see it is F is this point. Now second point here, see here 95 है, 86 पे कितना आ रहा है? 30 आ रहा है तो 95 पे कितना आएगा? 30 से ज्यादा आएगा. It will come more than 30. 95 पे 86 पे 30 आ रहा है. फ़ारेनहाइट अगर 95 है तो सेल्सियस कितना आएगा? More than 30. Now calculate second point. If Fahrenheit is given to you 95, then putting the value here 95 is equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. Take 32 there. 95 minus 32. 9 by 5 into c. If you subtract it, you will get 3 and 363 into 5 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए अपॉन 9 is equal to c. 9 7s are 63. c is equal to 9 7s are c is equal to 35. c कितना आ रहा है? 35. अगर 35 है, here it is 35. This will goes to 95. यहाँ कहीं पॉइंट होएगा इसका, ये यूं जाएगी लाइन. ओके, सो इट इज 35 degree. This is 35 degree. This is 86. This is 86. This is 35. Now C is equal to 0. Fahrenheit is 32. C is 0. Fahrenheit is 32. Now when F is 0, if you put F is 0, you will get minus 32. इधर ले जाइए. F is 0. Now take here F is 0. If you take F is 0, then what is C? 0 is equal to 9 by 5 into C को इधर ले जाइए तो ये कितना हो गया? minus 32. Minus 32 into 5 upon 9 is equal to F. So this will comes, divide करेंगे तो ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus F की. F comes in negative. Now when C is equal to F, now it is given to you C is equal to F. I will do it here. Fifth point. When C is equal to F, C रख दीजिए, इसको F को C रख दीजिए. Instead of F, you put C. C is equal to 9 by 5 इंटू सी प्लस 32 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 9 5 एलसीएम ले लीजिए या तो 5c इज इक्वल टू 9c प्लस 35 32 इंटू 5 5 टू ज 10 and 5 to the 10 160 so transpose it here 5c minus 9c is equal to 160 this implies minus 4c is equal to 160 and this will cancel out c is equal to minus 40 degree c minus 40 है तो f भी क्या हो जाएगा minus 40 so if you extend this line you will see that at minus 40 comma minus 40 this is numerically equal minus 40 comma minus 40 is numerically equal